Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. On our previous video, we do have a successful demo of the push notifications, particularly with popular social apps. On this video, we are going to explore the Bluetooth call functionality of this smartwatch. As you can see here, we are now connected with our support app. Okay, so we have here the call records, the contacts, we will add one later on, and we have the dial pad. So if you are interested to see if how the Bluetooth call works with our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the Bluetooth call feature. As you can see here, there's no contacts. Okay, we did not add any number yet on our smartwatch. We have here the call, we have the contacts. Okay, so let's add a phone number here. With our support app, we do have the Bluetooth calling. We have here the option for sync contacts, open contacts, and we will add this number. Okay, import watch, sync completed. So let's see. We have the call, contacts, and we have it here. Okay, so now that we are ready, so let's test. Okay, we have here our other phone. Let's call John. Okay, if you can receive it here, if we do have the buttons for answering and denying calls, then it is working. Okay, so it is working. As you can see, we do have here a quick reply as well. Okay, let's go back to our support app. Then let's check the quick reply here. Let's add our own. Okay, quick reply for call. Okay, confirm. Okay, so we have it here. Again, let's try to call and answer using a quick reply. It's now calling. Okay, so someone's calling. We have the name of the caller, the number, and we have here some options. Okay, quick reply. Okay, and we have here the answer, the quick reply answer. Okay, so it works for our quick reply. Okay, next, let's try the dial pad here. Or let's go first with a phone book, the contacts. Okay, let's call back. It's now calling. And as you can see here, okay, someone's calling. That is John. Okay, and call. Okay, so it works. Our contacts or the phone book works. We have here the call history. Let's see if we can call. Let's end call, and as you can see, it works. Okay, so everything here works for our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch Bluetooth call. Okay, so we did not test the dial pad. Let's see. Okay, so let's call Maria. Okay, so what's the number? 0919-863-35-9 and 3. It's now calling. Oops, didn't work. Again. 09. Yes, it is now working. It's just a bit delayed, but it is working. Okay, and call. Go back. You have the call records here again. You have the contacts. Okay, we have outgoing calls and ingoing calls. We have the contacts here. And we have the dial pad. So it works. All of this feature works for our wearable, including the quick reply for the Bluetooth call. What if we answer the call here on the smartwatch? Okay, so let's try. Okay, so someone's calling again. You can deny the call. You can answer with a quick reply. Okay, we already have a demo for this one. Let's try to answer the call. Hello? Hello? This is a Bluetooth call. Okay, so we have here the mic and it works. Bye. It seems like the call is okay. The speaker is okay. And let's see, do we have sound and vibration? So we do have an option for the ringtone here. Okay, so far everything works for our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. I think the speaker is okay. Okay, it's decent. Not that very good compared to other smartwatches, branded smartwatches, but so far you can hear, okay, the sound, okay, or the color, okay, the sound of the color. And at the same time, what I like about this Bluetooth call feature is that we have a support for the quick reply. Okay, so that's it for our demo of the iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch Bluetooth call functionality. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.